my dear brothers and sisters, we must dress properly for Mass. Why is it the Catholic community, so many people are not dressing properly for Mass? Why? Come properly dressed. No, you are coming to honor the King of Kings. And we are coming so badly dressed sometimes, my dear brothers and sisters. I don't see this in other religions when people go for worship. Sorry. And worst of all, wedding masses. My God, there comes the bride wearing air-conditioned dress. No air-conditioned dress. Sab khulla, slits at the side, open at the back. Hawa ja raha hai andar. Why? Why can't I dress properly for my wedding day? It's a sacrament. Two sacraments, sacrament of marriage, sacrament of the Eucharist. Why can't I come properly dressed? I want to tell you what happened in this church at a wedding mass, which I celebrated. Same. The lectern was here. One girl comes to read the word of God, so short dress. And here to my right, there's this big fan. Now I leave the rest to your imagination. Why you come badly dressed to read the word of God? You have no sense, no akal. Why? Question mark. It's a thing for all of us to think about.